Hello data detectives, welcome back to our another data analysis assignment. Today we have a raw data from a chocolate company. We have to analyze this raw data in Power BI. The data download link will be in the description below or in the caption. So let's get started.
Step 1. Ask the question. We need to know about the stakeholders' expectations. Let's assume after some questions, we know that Miss M wants to give an award to best seller team and team members. She is considering the selling amount per box as a priority for the award. Also, she wants to know the total amount of sales per country by the team. Lastly, she wants to know which category of products that team are selling. Step 2. Planning. First of all, we analyze sales per geolocation. 2. Sales per team. 3. Sales per category. 4. We will add a filter or slicer. 5. We will make a report table containing the team member's name, photo, amount of sales he did, amount of selling boxes, and price per boxes. And finally, we will retouch the designs and improve the visuals. Step 3. Prepare the data. So first of all, we need to check all the available table, and we will check for duplicates and null values. We also check for the data formatting, and we also check for other issues too. Step 4. We will make the dashboard, and Step 5. We will show the analysis to our team leader or project manager or our colleagues to take some recommendation from them. And then finally, Step 6, we will show the report to the stakeholders. So first of all, we need to import our data. We need those 4 tables. Data is loading now. Now we will look for the duplicate values, null values, or any other issues, and then we fix them. So in the location table, we don't see any problem here. In the people table, we see some null values here, so we will replace this null value. We replace them with special team. Okay. Now next, product table. We don't see any problem here. In the sales table, this is very big data, so we cannot check them manually. Let's remove the duplicates. We remove the duplicates, and here is another problem. If you check before Canada, there are 2 space and USA 2, so we have to remove those extra spaces because Power BI is very case sensitive. So we transform and trim. Now everything is alright. Save, close and apply. Okay, now we will look for data modeling. Those are 4 tables we have, but 3 of them are connected, 1 of them is not connected. Geo under location is the same as geography under sales, so let's connect them manually. Drag the geo over geography. Now all of the tables are connected. Let's jump to the dashboard. We will create the dashboard now. As per the plan, we make sales per geo first, so drag the geo in X axis and sales amount in the y axis. Okay, now we see sales per geolocations. Now we will make sales per team. Let's drag the team in the x-axis and sales amount in the y-axis. Okay, done. Now we will create sales per category. So in the products we choose the category in the y-axis and total sales in the x-axis. This is done too. Now we have to create a table where we put all the team members image, name, sales per boxes, etc. So first of all, drag the pictures here, but the pictures are in the URL format. We need to change that format. So from the data and people table, let's change the pictures to image URL. And now we have all the images. Now we add the salesperson's name and amount of sales. But the amount of sales, there is no dollar sign, so we will add a new measures to put some dollar sign before the prices. New measures, total sales equal to sum of, we have the suggestions here, sales amount. Okay, let's drag it. We don't need sum of amounts now. Now that sum of boxes, we can make a new measures for the sum of boxes. Total box, sum of, okay. Now we have to add price per boxes, so we need to add a new measures, price per boxes equal to total sales divided by total boxes. This is our new measure. We add the dollar sign here too. Let's drag it. Okay, our box is ready. Now we have to add a slicer as per the requirement. We add the theme here. Okay, that's it. We have done the basic dashboard, but we need to style it. We need to retouch all of the designs to make them eye-catchy. So sales per geolocation is done now. Let's design sales per theme now. Sales per theme is also done. Now let's design the slicer. Okay, now let's design the sales per categories. This is done too. Now we are designing the table. Now it looks perfect design. Now we are designing price per boxes, as this is the priority for the award. Now we will add the background, the chocolate background. It looks very good. Let's add one thing more. In the theme slicer, let's add select all, and then we are done. This is our interactive dashboard for the chocolate company. Okay, everything is working. Perfect.